Hello everyone. Today I will continue the small Python project where we type in keyword in the terminal and it returns the URL of the source code web page. You can find more description of the project in another video linked at the corner. Okay, so in today's agenda, I will first show you how to release your Python package to PyPI. By doing that, other people can pip install your Python package. There are 3 prerequisites for that. First, you need a PyPI account. Then make sure the package name is still available. And then install some tools for packaging and uploading. So after that, if time allows, I will implement 2 features. One is find files using glob or parslib. The other one is grep files using subprocess calls. If you are interested in this type of content, please like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Since I already have PyPI account, let's check if the package name is still available. Let's go to PyPI. URL. It's probably not available since it's so generic. Say a URL. Okay, a URL is fine. Okay, now we go here and change our packet repo name. A URL. Okay, now we can start now we can go to the terminal. So this is where we are now. We need to change the source code folder to a URL. We also need to change all the file content from PURL to a URL. So I have a Vim package called Ctrl+SF. That one can search keyword in multiple files and show them together. Now you can see it says 6 matched lines across 3 files. And here we can change all of them, replace all of them, PURL to a URL, do all. And you can see it says 6 substitutions on 6 lines. And we can just write them, and that will change all the files. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can see there are a lot of replacement here. Okay, so for the package part, I already put everything in the makefile. So we have the distribution, which basically calls to the setup.py, and a twine command which upload to the PyPI. Okay, so to do that we need to let me show you the setup.py again. So it imports a library. It's a third-party library called setup tools. So we need to install that one, and then we also need to install twine. I have them installed already, but let's just see what the version number is. So it's 3.7.1. So what I'm doing right now is not absolutely needed, but it's kind of good to keep a record of things. So I will write them down in another requirement file. So in case other people want to reproduce, they can install that one too. So let's also check the setup tools. Okay, so it's 56.0.0. Then we add this to the repo. Okay, actually I wonder if pip It's something like this. There's no such command. I'm just curious if you can just query what the version number is. Okay. Oh, I think maybe from pip3. Here, then you can do something like this: pip3 and grep twine. Yeah. Okay. Okay, where we are. Also, now we can try to call the makefile command. Make dist. And see if it works. Okay. Then make twine. Too similar to an existing project. Why do they care about being similar? Okay, now we need to change it to a different name. Okay, let's say BURL. Oh, I think it's because it's too similar to this one. BURL is also taken curl. Let's see, DURL. Okay, this one, whoa. This one is pretty good. Okay, let's just change to DURL then. Okay, DURL. Okay, then move it again. AURL to DURL. Okay, then we need to do this change again. So AURL. AURL to DURL. Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's try this again. Make dist. Now it become DURL and make twine. Okay. So let's see if we can find this package now. Okay, now it seems the upload works. Okay. Yeah, so you can see now we have this this new folder and this new folder. So this is actually the package where the package is, and you are uploading this one to the PyPI. And this one is just some bookkeeping for the package, information for the package. Another thing I want to point out is, so here right now our version is 0.0.1, and if you make any changes to the source code, you have to change this version number as well. Let's just change it because PyPI doesn't allow you to overwrite an older version. So every time you change, you have to bump up this number. Or if you don't want to change it to 2, you can say add another minor number here. Let's just change it to 2 for simplicity. Okay. Okay, it has already been some time. Let me just stop here for today. Okay. I will continue the coding part in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.